What's going on, everybody? I'm out here off of Tom Wells Road and right here by Quartz. As soon as I cross over Life, I'm doing a little bit of rockhounding. And there's a lot of minerals out here. This is Jasper. There's a lot of Jade. A bunch of Quartz. And like just in this little area, like Quartz, Jasper. Look at this pebble. Oh, it's just everywhere, bro. Look at that green Jade right there. Boom. Look at that Jasper right there. Look at this guy. Fuck yeah, man. Look at that Quartz right there, just sitting. Look at that Jade right there. Everything. Yeah, it's just nice too. Like, boom. Look at this guy right here, just sitting there. Look at that. Another one right here. Jade. Some of these could be petrified wood, but I don't know how to tell the difference. But look at this. Just everywhere, bro. I guess I can keep going and going, but it's getting really good shit right here. Boom, that's all Jade right there. Look at this piece right here. Oh my god. Beautiful it is right there. Look at that Jade. Damn. Taking that bad boy too. Just everywhere. Quartz, all kinds of stuff. Let's go here. Obviously, you gotta watch out for the snakes and the scorpions. Just mind the keys and using the keys, and it'll be alright. I've always wanted to come up here, but I never had a chance because I was too busy working or something always popped up, you know. But now, I had one day off today. Look at that picture. Yeah, I'm taking that guy right there too. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, boom. Beautiful Quartz. Jade. It's crazy. Alright, y'all. See you on the flip side.